SunFounder PiCrawler AI Robot Kit for Raspberry Pi, Robot Hat, Camera Module, Ultrasonic Module, Multifunction DIY Bionic Robots for Kids and Adults, Remote Control by PC, Cell Phone and Tablet. PiCrawler supports both Python and SunFounder SBlock language. SBlock is engineered with an intuitive graphical user interface to allow beginners to quickly master robotics programming and can provide remote control through a web interface. Playz Flat 6 Model Engine Building Kit 320 plus pieces Revved-Up internal V8 style combustion to build your own mini engine that works DIY STEM project and gift for kids, teens and hobby kit for adults. Bring out the hidden engineer, the most educational engine model kit that works for kids ages 12 to 18 and gives them an absolute engineering confidence by learning what various scientists and engineers developed since the 19th century.